And so obviously, Melbourne's had some challenges over the past 12 to 18 months.
Yeah.
Interested in two parts of this question. The first being, how has the Greystar portfolio sort of held up globally over the past 12 to 18 months in relation to COVID?
Yeah.
And then how have your assumptions around, apartments and rental apartments in inner Melbourne changed in the wake of the pandemic?
Yeah. The performance of the portfolio is a testament or is an example of why institutional investors love this asset class. We have an open-ended, sort of our flagship open-ended fund in the US, GGIF, the Greystar Growth and Income Fund. And just looking at their most recent results and really drilling down to an asset level sort of performance across the portfolio, but seeing what's happening with leasing, what's happening with occupancy. We're seeing now at the moment through August, and I've got this data through to the middle of August, our sort of leasing turnover, the rebound that we're getting in rents is quite frankly phenomenal. If it's whether it's new leases or whether it's renewals, the step up we're seeing in those rents has been fantastic. That kind of goes to, play into our conviction longer term over the desirability of what this product is and the selection by the consumer to move into the product. So I think the demand side of the equation, that's very positive. That portfolio is also experiencing the highest occupancy it's ever had. Occupancy is at its highest level. Rents are bouncing back hard. Rents are ahead of where they were pre-crisis. Those lease turns are really performing well. The occupancy is performing well. And then when we look at what's happening from a trading standpoint, obviously we've seen, base rates are falling, yields are falling across sectors, and they're falling in multifamily in global markets as well, or build to rent in global markets as well. In some cases, probably more than other sectors, which just goes to the belief from institutional investors in the resilience of what the cash flow from residential housing actually means, and the importance of it as an allocation in a diversified real assets portfolio.